my dear brother and my dear sister, keep your blessing to yourself. Keep your achievement to yourself. Don't come to social media to come and show us your brand new car, your new house that God has built for you. We don't need it. Don't come and show us your promotion. Now you have got a new job. The whole world must celebrate with you. We don't need it. Who cares about the achievement? Who cares about what you have? Many of you women, the man proposed to you. You start to broadcast around, showing your friends. See, Kunle has proposed to me. Emeka has told me he's going to marry me. Now, I'm no more in the market. I've got my own man. Glory be to God. Look at my rings. And a month to the wedding day, Emeka said he's not more interested. Some, even in the pulpit, the man walk away, says, no. This marriage is not for me. Many of you, after you come out to tell her that you have got a new job, after 3 months, you get sacked by that same company. Why are you making noise? Why are you a noise maker? Everybody, the day you buy new clothes, the whole world must celebrate with you. You must tell everybody. You must gather all your family, all your friends. Come on, show them your shoe. Come and show them your wristwatch. I just bought a new car now. Thank God for your life. But remember, that business you are doing, some people are doing that same business, and they are doing far better than you, and they never make noise. They never tell anyone else. They maintain their private life, and that's why they keep on increasing. What happens to most of you that the world have celebrated with you? Most of you have come online to show us your house. What later happened to that house? What later happened to that car? What later happened to that man, to that woman that you are bragging about? And this is my wife. Can't you see who she is? What happened in that marriage? How many marriages we've witnessed spend so much millions, even travel as far to India, to Dubai, to America, to go and do the wedding. After 3-4 months, 1 year, the wedding crashed with the old noise. Because you're working in a oil company and you are well paid, start to intimidate most of your friends. Because now God have helped you, you have traveled to America within 3-4 years, and God have helped you secure a good job there. Then when you come back home, you are fighting everybody in the area because you make small change. Then nobody can sleep anymore. When you are driving around, you loud your car, you make a noise. People begin to ask, who is that guy? Don't you know him? That my friend brother just came from America. Why all these noises? Every day you are running a party. My friend, be careful. Nobody loves you. If they are deceiving you that they love you, it's a lie. Nobody loves you. Nobody even cares about what you have. Because many people have more than that. They hide it. Bible make it clear. Say don't be like hypocrisy. Who stand up in the synagogue and make noise. I will give you this, I will give you that. They have get their reward. If God blessed you with a good wife, thank him and protect her. Or it is you, God has blessed you with a good husband who loves you for whom you are, who are taking care of you. Stop it. Don't broadcast it around. Or you are the one who got a good job. Be dedicated to your job and thank your God. Do your job diligently. Don't make noise around. Don't mock your other friends. If God has blessed you in one way or another, thanks to God. Pray to him. Appreciate him. Dance in his presence. Don't get me wrong. You can snap a picture. Nobody have any problem with that. You can go places, snap picture, post it. Yes, it's everybody's right. I too, I do it. But Put a limit in anything you do. I'm saying this to you today because many people today, they are in problem by the way they expose themselves. The problem people they are facing today is the problem of media, problem of friends. You expose yourself in everything. You don't have any secret. Anything that happens to you, you must broadcast it. We don't need it. We don't care. Who's tell you that we love you? Who told you that? Is it because they are giving you likes? Is it because they are writing comments? Means they love you? Nobody loves you. It is when you hate yourself that hatred comes from you first, if you don't know. The moment you start to broadcast yourself, you begin to hate yourself. You think those sweet words they write to you in your comment shows that they love you? No. It's capital N-O. No. Nobody loves you. Nobody wants your progress. Then if God are blessing you, if you are getting progress in your job, keep it secret, keep it within yourself and your wife and your children. May God Almighty be with you. And speak to someone today. If it is you, woman, or if it is you, man, take it. Watch all my videos. I speak to intelligent people. People who have something to offer.